Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Yo, what it do? Docs gang, we out here back for another video. Ow, oh my god, that intro really took a toll on my neck. Pause. Anyways, how are we doing today? Are you good? I hope we're good. We are going to be doing I don't know why I repeated myself like that, but today we're going to be doing a Ronny J type beat. Yeah, Ronny J's cool. His beats are very intense. Distorted 808s all the way. You guys know I don't really like distorted 808s, but Ronny J is an exception. He's a pretty dope producer. He does make some fire beats. So we're gonna emulate that. We're gonna make, you know, simple melody, very distorted 808s. You know the drill. So yep, tutorial over. I'll see you guys in a bit, and peace. No, I'm playing. But yeah, man, let's should be fun. I'm gonna go ahead, get started, go on my computer, and yeah, let's do it. So let's open up Omnisphere. Yeah, I'm gonna open up Omnisphere. Screw it. Okay, so it's Ronny J type beats. You want a very simple melody. Okay, simple melodies are the way to go with these beats. So literally simple dark melodies. Simple dark melodies are where you want it to go.
2,000 years later.
All right, let's find our melody. Guys, honestly, I could be, bro. I used to play piano back in the day. You know what I'm saying? I didn't play no piano. All right, let's get this melody. I need to stop playing around. I'm playing way too damn much. All right, so let's do this thing. God damn. All right. I'm gonna show you guys the melody real quick. It's kind of cool. I added an ARP and I started manipulating like how many octaves it would play by just shortening the notes a little bit in between each thing. You'll see what I mean by in a minute. But oh yeah, I used the see, I remember to show y'all this time. You happy now? All right. Look, dimensional vibrillima. I don't know why I can't speak English. Dimensional limba, whatever the hell it's called. I put this ARP on it. You know what I'm saying? Did what I had to do, did my thing, and then put the notes down. Here's what it sounds like. So yeah, that's what I got so far. It's very simple, but I'm gonna add something else. I don't like too simple beats, you know what I'm saying? I know it has to be simple, but I don't want to be too simple, you know what I'm saying? So let's go and find some counter melodies, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's do it. little weird, a little dark, kind of ambient too. You know, I had to add a whole bunch of reverb. You know how we do. But here's what I got so far. But yeah, it's a little rough on the edges. I know. I'm gonna EQ some of the stuff a little bit more. I try to add EQ. I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. All right, chill out. I'm gonna fix it. Okay. I'm gonna go on to the drums now because I really want to just get onto the drums. So we're gonna do that now. So where's the drums at? All right. So a little trick that I like to do with my 808s real quick is this envelope thing. So like when you know hold down the note or so that it doesn't fade out, and like when the note stops, you know, 808 stops, I just like to use this little trick. So I increase the holds and then turn on everything else. That's really all I do. So when I press it and I let go, it just completely cuts off. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, let's continue. As you guys know, I changed my mind. I'm gonna start with the hi-hats. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do the hi-hats because I need yeah, I'm gonna do the hi-hats. Alright, yeah, so that's the hi-hat pattern. That's really it, to be honest. You don't want anything too crazy. Like, it's not a Southside beat, so you're not gonna have any rolls or anything like that. So I'm just gonna have a hi-hat pattern like this, just using that 808, using that hi-hat. And yeah, I'm just gonna look for a nice snare now.
A few moments later.
Alright, I think now it is time to move on to the 808. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, let's do it. Alright. 808 pattern is cool, you know what I'm saying? It's vibe. You feel me? It's vibe. Now, do I want to show you? Do I really want to do that? You know what? I'm a nice guy. I'm gonna do it. Alright. So I'm just gonna show you just the drums so far. It's, you know, I'm gonna change the snare. Okay, I reviewed the play. The snare has fouled out of the game, so I'm taking him out. Can't have him there. No. It's fouled out. I don't like the snare. So we're gonna change it later. Don't worry, we're gonna change it. So here's what the drums sound like with the 808. But yeah, there you go. That is what I have for the 808. It's nice, you know what I'm saying? It's decent for the 808 pattern, but I'm not gonna change the snare because it's just I'm not feeling any of these snares actually. So I'm gonna switch a whole new drum kit because that's not even a snare. Why is that a? Anyway, let's do this. Anyone who has that in their beats, stop. Don't ever put that in your beats. I don't want to ever hear that in your beats. Okay, just that chant pisses me off so much. so you know, I changed the 808. Okay, before I continue, I changed the 808. Okay, so it was an 808 that, like, you know, it would have sounded nice if, you know, it wasn't EQ'd the way it was. But I mean, I'm probably gonna change it again. You know what? I'm gonna change it again. I'm sorry. Hold up. One moment, please. All right, I finally got the 808. I just used to want a girl 808, and I just distorted it a little bit. That's all. Okay, here's what the drums now sound like. They sound better now, like with a different 808. Okay, so here's what they sound like. Better. So beat's all done now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it, do my thing, and see y'all after that. Okay, cool. Alright, y'all, so the beat is all done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Came out pretty nicely, I thought. You know what I'm saying? We added all the Ronny J effects, you know what I'm saying? Distorted 808, simple dark melodies, all that stuff. And yeah, man, it's pretty dope. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Unorthodox Beats and on my Twitch. Make sure you follow me on Twitch. I just started a Twitch. I like streaming games now because, you know, it looks fun. Want to do something fun, and yeah. So go ahead and follow me on that. All the links are gonna be in the description. So my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97 and my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats. I post on both of those all the time, or I'm gonna start trying to post more on both of those platforms. So check me out on those. And don't forget to also subscribe to the channel because, you know what I'm saying, we are just growing and getting bigger, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, all that stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching, and